shouldn't be that hard. Building an online business is one of those things that shouldn't be hard, but is. You have all the ingredients necessary, you've got an internet connection and you've got a computer. In fact, almost any tablet or smartphone will do. Admitting this might get me into some hot water, but most of the information you need to get started is available freely. The thing is that for the most part, any success is built by repeating boring fundamentals every day until it works. It's a bit like building muscle. Pick up heavy things, put them down. Maybe take it easy with soda and sweets, pick protein instead. Do it enough times, and voila, you have muscles. It's not an easy sell though. Most people want the magic bullet, where they don't change their habits yet still get the results they want. Same with building an online business. It's not hard. It's just that the actual building part is a chore. Which is why even though a lot of people have everything necessary to build a successful online business, most of them still haven't. And also, having every ingredient of a tasty cake doesn't mean you'll make a remotely edible one even with a recipe, if you haven't operated an oven before. Luckily, there are shortcuts. One of them is having people do it for you. It's a good approach, but very expensive if you hire people who are good at it, because most people who are good at it, just do it for themselves and keep all the money. For another approach, click the link in the description. This goes even beyond having a team at your fingertips and having a state-of-the-art software tools. How far beyond? Well, make sure you register and watch the training to find out. If the word game changer wasn't so played out, this would be it, and then some. Thanks for watching and click the link in the description.